Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by the warm glow of Edison bulbs, the earthy scent of stone and wood, and the inviting promise of a meal prepared under the open sky. This isn't just an outdoor kitchen, it's your personal cooking paradise, your gathering place, your rustic retreat. Today we're exploring over 100 rustic outdoor kitchen ideas for 2026, featuring backyard cooking paradises with stone barbecue islands and beautiful wood design. Whether you have a compact patio or a sprawling yard, these inspiring concepts show how intentional rustic design can transform your outdoor cooking area into a stunning retreat that brings people together around the joy of food and fellowship. As we wander through these beautiful rustic kitchens, notice how the most captivating spaces balance authenticity with function. Hand-hewn stone barbecue islands become the heart of the space-durable, beautiful, and timeless. Reclaimed wood beams overhead add warmth and character, while climbing vines soften hard lines and bring nature closer. You'll see how integrated lighting transforms these spaces from daytime cooking zones into evening gathering spots. Edison bulbs strung through pergolas cast a warm, magical glow. Lanterns on rustic posts create intimate pools of light. These aren't just functional additions, they're design elements that extend the life and magic of your outdoor kitchen well into the night. Materials tell a story too. Natural stone brings permanence and elegance. Weathered wood adds warmth and history. Vintage iron hardware provides authentic detail. And when combined with thoughtful touches, vertical herb gardens within arm's reach, prep stations organized for efficiency, seating arranged for conversation, these elements create a space that's not just beautiful, but deeply functional. The magic lies in the details. Climbing jasmine framing a pergola, herbs and terracotta pots ready for picking, a fire feature that invites gathering under the stars. Every element reflects intention, creating an outdoor kitchen that doesn't just cook, it connects. As you explore these ideas, I invite you to imagine which elements would make your outdoor kitchen feel like home. Would you choose the romantic charm of a cottage-style stone barbecue with climbing vines and vintage lanterns? Or does your heart lean towards sleek, rustic minimalism with clean stone lines and integrated smart features? Consider your lifestyle. Do you love hosting dinner parties? A spacious barbecue island with ample prep space and bar seating creates the perfect entertaining hub. Do you crave quiet mornings? A cozy prep nook with tropical greenery offers a peaceful start to the day. Do you value sustainability? Reclaimed materials and native plantings honor the environment while creating beauty. Think about the feeling you want to cultivate. Is it the warm comfort of a farmhouse kitchen? The refined ease of a mountain lodge? The peaceful simplicity of a cottage retreat? Each of these visions is achievable through intentional rustic design that balances aesthetics with function. If these rustic outdoor kitchen ideas have inspired you to reimagine your outdoor cooking space, we'd be grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. By joining our community, you'll receive weekly inspiration for creating beautiful, functional outdoor spaces that elevate your everyday life. We're here to help you design the rustic cooking paradise you deserve. Now, settle in and enjoy this curated collection of rustic outdoor kitchen inspiration. Let these images spark your creativity and show you how your dream cooking retreat is closer than you think.